Hi friends, this is Avira from BLISS Institute Sharjah, and here I am coming with a video with some information about your HEALTH MOH examinations. And there is some differences in the questions we have observed in the last few months. So here I am discussing about that. As we all know that the PN and RN nurses will get different type of questions in the examination, and the number of questions will be 100. It's the passing score it will be 85 always. And now the recent months we have observed there is slight changes in the question paper, especially in the case of RN nurses question, and very few changes you can see with the practical nurses question. And usually students are facing some problems when I pronounce some RN and PN. So RN means registered nurses who completed the degree, and the PN practical nurses who completed the diploma level. And sometimes the students are saying the MOH examinations are very tougher, but now it's very easier from BLISS itself, because we have the set of questions and exactly what the candidate need that we are providing. And here we provide exam oriented classes, and during the class itself we discuss the proper question and the options. And people have some difficulty to find that the differences between the questions of these two categories. And here there are some options they are giving, and based on that the qualification, the options will be varying. Let me discuss some topic which is introduced in the last few months with registered nurses examination. I've seen some questions are introduced related with the school nurse categories. School health nurse, priority of actions they are going to ask you. And everything I can communicate or everything I can relate with the UAE community questions. If a nurse is coming to the UAE, what they are supposed to do is their question. So I have seen a question that school health nurse is focusing on dash. So we have to use some logics as well as the UAE's rules and regulations. Depending on that, we can find some kind of options. So what a school nurse is going to do for a child who is there. For example, they have given the options like child education, promote child care, safety at school, etc. Then some kind of options which they given us all of the above. The given options will be right for all. Then we have to choose the all of the above. So such kind of logical answering also can be done with these types of questions. So this is introduced recently. Then something which is more important when a nurse is caring with the family, which is coming in a community health. And in previous videos I have described that the RN and PN nurses will get different important questions and topics will be. Then for RN always it's depend on UAE community as well as the psychiatry, and the students are facing difficulty in choosing options with that. So I can tell you some questions with this communities also will be there, and it is nowadays focusing on the whole family health. So the family and the UAE community questions will be there. So these two informations are new to you, and generally the questions will be from psychiatry and community, but these two questions or these type of questions are coming related with this, so wisely you have to choose the option. Anyway, we have all the questions, the new questions, and you can contact us for further information. Now one more information I would like to give you is related with this practical nurses. So mostly the practical nurses are the persons who is facing difficulty in examination than RN, but it's something related with chemotherapy. It was a new topic for PN practical nurses. There were no questions previously about the chemotherapy and all, because here in UAE they are not supposed to give any medications. So some questions related with chemotherapy, which is absolutely describing the nurse's action practical nurses action. It was a recent question. Then other than this, some general questions we already discussed. So the things we have in our hand. So these all are the new updates about the RN and PN questions. And if you have any doubts or any clarification about our questions, about our classes and our services with the nurses, especially the placement assistance and the whole care, if anything is there, you can contact us. We are always with our open hand towards you, and contact our branches. It's from Kerala, India. It's from Kottayam as well as in Thiruvalla. Then you can meet or you can contact us from the BLISS Institute Sharjah also. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.